These are for you. So, your choice.
And they're off! Still got a couple on the grid though. They just get moving or they'll miss the race. Final call.
Jordy, where are you? You're closing the gate like now.
Running late. I'm sorry, I'll explain later. Just go, we can make it!
Jordy, you are... Ugh. Let's go.
That's the invitational in full swing now. Finally, from the rotary on three-lane cover. Making it in by just a hair.
That was too close, Jordan. We nearly missed out.
Tell me about it. Thanks for waiting.
Is that Fox Island? Is he meant to be here? Maybe you'll earn a fan if he's lucky. Our new entrants have pushed through the qualifiers, proving to us all that they're ready to take that first step towards becoming a legend. Passing the sun gate now, only at Horizon will you find danger signs, stunt parties, and a myriad of spectacular skills. There's the Range Rover and the Raptor, ready to dominate any terrain in the Horizon cross-country event. And out of the hypercar gate, the Lambo Countach and the Acura NSX, screaming towards the festival now. This is it! All the way from the back. This is their final stretch. Time to floor it.
Oh, wow, there it is. The festival. Come on, foot down.
The drivers are so close to their first wristband now. From the qualifiers to the invitational, they have reached exceptional. Make some noise. What a display! They made it! I wonder, what's next for these drivers?
Hey, welcome to the festival. That was quite a drive. Are all your races that exciting? One of the perks of being the boss is that I get to reward drivers who show real potential. So, these are for you. So, your choice. You know what the Evo can do. All surfaces, no drama. If you want a turbo-powered beast, then we have the events to match.
An excellent choice. And remember, you'll get to drive them all anytime you want.
Your first Horizon wristband. Your key to compete in official Horizon events. First